AI in finance uses complex algorithms to analyze data and make predictions. It can process vast amounts of information faster than humans, spotting patterns even experts might miss. Let's compare. A human advisor might review 100 stock reports a day, while AI could handle 50,000. But humans can empathize and build relationships, a key part of financial advice. Did you know? AI can predict market trends with 85% accuracy, but human advisors can provide emotional support to clients. Here's how AI can enhance, not replace, human advisors. AI excels in data analysis and risk management, while humans excel in client relationships and empathy. From ancient accountants to modern AI, financial advice has evolved. Here's how the role of advisors might change in the next decade. The global AI market for financial services is projected to reach $10 billion by 2025, up from $3.6 billion in 2020. Like a personal coach, financial advisors provide guidance and support. AI can help with the numbers, but it's the human touch that truly makes a difference. Can AI replace financial advisors? No. But can it work alongside them to enhance the process? Absolutely. Imagine a future where financial advice benefits from AI tools. These tools will analyze data and provide insights, but human advisors will still be there to offer personalized advice. Myth: AI will replace financial advisors. Truth: while AI can automate tasks, it can't match the personal touch and strategic guidance of a human advisor. Think of AI as an ever-present, always available personal assistant for your finances. It handles routine tasks just like a secretary would handle emails and schedules, but with advanced analytics and data processing. AI excels in specific areas like risk assessment, portfolio management, tax optimization, and emergency fund management. Each task is handled with precision, ensuring your finances are in the best possible state. Think of AI and human advisors as pieces in a puzzle. The overlapping area represents their collaborative efforts, while the distinct parts show their unique strengths. Together, they provide a more holistic and effective financial planning experience. AI in financial planning relies on several key components, including natural language processing to understand your needs, machine learning to adapt and improve over time, predictive analytics to forecast market trends, and risk management to protect your investments. The global AI market for financial services is projected to reach $10 billion by 2025, up from $3.6 billion in 2020.